Guys. Sorry. Sleep. Casey, they don't want to sleep. Fatherhood business. This boy did this into me like every day. This is how my night has always been. Since we have this wonderful child. You see, I no longer sleep at night the way I normally sleep because my son, he always wakes up. Sometimes, hello, Chine, how are you? Soya, soyas. So the boy does not sleep, and he sleeps. Yeah, thank you. Every day, every night. I just want to share my night with you guys, and every night, sometimes from 12 a.m. to 3 a.m., sometimes 3 a.m. to 2 a.m. to 4 a.m., sometimes even 5. And this is the joy of fatherhood. Now I'm not living my life, I'm living my baby's life. Now, if I just go now to drop in, the next thing, you'll wake up. And I just say, let me just come and share with you and see what I've been going through. But it's good. It's good. It's a good experience. It's a good experience as fatherhood. Sometimes the mother tried. Oh, woman, if you're watching this thing, if you're a woman, God bless you. I even meant to God should bless all of us, not only women, but you know, women they try a lot because of what they do, taking care of the baby. Sometimes I'm not always around, sometimes I go to work and I will see my baby, my wife, taking good care of my child. And even when I come back from work, I will still be tired. The mother will still take over. So, mothers are a blessing. They're the kind of wonderful blessings that we have on this planet Earth. Thank God for them. I don't know about you, but I'm just talking about my wife. Sometimes it's not always easy. But I mean, this is the job that I do like almost every night. What we do at times, we run shifts. Thank you. So yeah, so where are you streaming from? Where are you watching from? Let me know where you're watching from. So this night I just said, okay, let me just come share this thing to you guys. And this video, I want to keep it for him. When he grows up, he'll be able to see what we have been going through to take care of him. Now, look at how he's sleeping now. Thank you so much. If I take him to bed, the next thing, he'll wake up. So at times I have to wait and watch him. Like he has to sleep like deeply before I will even try to put him to bed to sleep. Guys, let me know where you're watching me from. Please subscribe to this channel. Alright? So most of the time when I'm live here with my baby, and sometimes we're eating, sometimes we're just having fun. It's a good experience, man. So yeah, where are you streaming from? Where are you watching us from? Thank you for joining, guys. Please subscribe. I don't want to shout because sometimes when I try to shout and he will just do as if he wants to wake up. So sorry young man. You're supposed to wake up and say hi to the people that are watching you. You don't know, that's what you're supposed to do. And you're busy sleeping. Don't you wake up and say hi to them? The boy is always busy sleeping, enjoying himself. But he's just busy enjoying his life. All my YouTube family, thank you so very much for joining. Thank you. Thank you so much. Roblox Kati Official. I hope I call your name right. I'm sorry if I don't call it right. Forgive me. Let's know where you're watching us from. Are you feeling heat? Some of you that have not experienced fatherhood, this is what you experience every day. I'm going to keep this video for him. When he grows up, he's able to see it, watch it. By that time, we'll just be laughing. I will sit me, him, the mother, and we'll just be watching and say, look at what you were doing, look at what you were doing, look at you now. That time is going to be like a funny moment, family time. So sometimes it's always good to keep all these records, for history's sake. And when they grow up to see it, they're always happy. Please do not forget to subscribe. It's very important. Do not forget to subscribe. It's very important. Please, can you tell us where you're watching from? Where you're watching from? It's like we have a subscribers. We have a subscriber. Thank you. Say thank you. Say thank you. Say thank you. It's not easy, man. This is not easy. You never try to make any sound, you just wake up. You do as if he wants to wake up. If you wake up now, you carry yourself. I'm just tell you. Yes. You don't mean to. I need to sleep. I have work in the morning. So you have to pity me, my son. Pity your daddy. Pity your daddy. Pity your daddy. Say pity your daddy. Pity your daddy. Pity your daddy. Pity your daddy. See? And you're busy sleeping. Sleep on this one, you're opening your eyes. Sleep. They have taken the light. They have seized the light. Okay, once this life is 20 minutes, we'll go to the room, yeah? Sorry. You're sweating. The boy is sweating. Just wait so that we can reach 20 minutes, then we'll go to bed. Alright? That's my boy. Bless you. Bless my boy. Bless you, my boy. I'm gonna be fine, okay? Let's wake up because of heat. I need to go open the window. Bless you. Let me put here so that I'll go and open the window, alright? Don't cry. Do not cry. I'm coming. Just a moment. Hold on. That is here. Sorry. 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 Mm. Let's go so that I'll go and sleep. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Sorry. Sorry boy. Sorry boy. Sorry boy. Do not cry. Do not cry. Sorry boy. Do not cry. Do not cry. Sorry boy. Do Do not cry. 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 Sorry. Let's go and sleep, yeah? Alright guys, see you later. Bye bye. Love you. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. You want to say bye bye? He wants to sleep. Let me make sure he sleeps, yeah? Bye bye.